Before the Argus multiple pig launcher was developed, pigging at remote well sites, such as this one in northern Alberta, was challenging and costly. There was no road access except in the winter, when frozen ground conditions allowed access to the sites. In the warmer months, a pilot, who was also the well operator, would fly a helicopter to the site with as many pigs as the helicopter could carry. This particular field area had in excess of 700 well sites, with approximately 20% of them having prolific water production, with a pigging frequency of every second day. The costs were excessive. With the help of customer input, Argus designed a more cost-effective solution, the multi-pig launcher. This unit included a pig chamber, actuation, solar panels, and battery storage that allowed the well operator to load one pig down the chamber into the ball core, and then 6 on top of the first one. Now, well operators had the ability to pig remotely through a SCADA controls package. Instead of every 2 days, operators now only need to attend a site every 14 days to reload the multi-launcher. As there is no venting for individual pig runs, emissions can be reduced by up to 92%, depending on line size. 3 actuation options exist to work the multi-launcher. Manual, using the lever or gear operator. Electric, using power from solar panels or utilizing power on site. Pneumatic, using fuel gas off the line or an alternate supply of instrument quality gas, such as nitrogen bottles. Line size dictates the capacity of the pig chamber. 3, 4, and 6-inch multi-launchers can accommodate 11 pigs, while 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20-inch launchers can accommodate 7 pigs.